Nowadays, it's quite difficult to browse the internet without turning into a video. Remember the last time you were scrolling through the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter when you stopped to read a post? Your interest was likely to triggered by a video, right? From long form how-to videos to quickly short TikTok videos, reels or shorts, online users love consuming different types of videos. And video marketing statistics do not lie. Consumers are now watching more videos than ever before. According to a report, average person will spend 100 minutes every day watching online videos this year. This adds up to almost 26 days a year just watching videos. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. So whether people actually watch the video depends largely on how eye-catching and engaging it is. Therefore, in this particular video, I'll show you a few examples of the videos in social media to get thinking about how to make your own content pop. We are also including tips and tricks for making social media videos, and of course, one of the easiest and most effective ways to make social media videos is with Onemaker.io. Pick a template or a pre-made scene and start from the scratch. Let's start with first, trending and breaking news. Nowadays, social media is where more than 2/3 of the adults get at least some of their news. There's never a bad time to join the conversation when breaking news or hot topic are trending. A video is an ideal way to share your perspective, whether it's your company's breaking news or a response to the significant event of the cultural movement. Since many people turn to Twitter first when news breaks or a live event is taking place, it is really important to take note that breaking news videos are the best performing video type on internet. Next comes up how-to or tutorial videos. We also have how-to and tutorials, which are undoubtedly not the least. One of the most popular types of content online is this one. Although the format will need to be adjusted. No one will watch a 40-minute woodworking video on Facebook, of course. But if done correctly, this format is going to be extremely profitable. Interview, Q&A, engaging your audience and addressing their pressing issues is easy with the informative interviews or Q&A sessions. Take part in an online conversation with a thought leader, a celebrity or a team member. You can solicit inquiries from your followers or prepare interview-style questions in advance as well. Q&A style works well for solo videos where you converse with your viewers or fans and respond to their queries. You can also try going live on Instagram or YouTube, a product or a feature video. One study found that 78% of individuals felt that social media posts forms firms' impact on their purchasing decisions. Videos on social media are a fantastic way to showcase a product or show off any particular feature change through the video templates. Live broadcast. Majority of the platforms now have native live streaming capabilities, and audiences totally love them. Live streams are a great way to increase interaction and strengthen relationship with your audience, while also giving your brand a more transparent appearance. To view the video, click here. For Q&As, behind the scenes material and event content is the ideal format. Social offer deals are always popular. Offer a special bargain to your social media fans and get their attention with a catchy video announcing a sale or promotion. User-generated content or UGC. We recognize that producing content takes time. Allow your devoted followers to contribute by sharing some of their own stuff. You can reach out to influencers, run a contest to collect user-generated material, or keep an eye out for the videos that your fans have naturally shared. More users will share contests if you highlight your admirers by reposting or revisiting their content. Be sure to credit the producers. Win-win. Freebies and competitions. Free things appeal to everyone. There are many ways to use videos to increase your reach, and contests are a great and true technique to increase the interaction. You can either create a video to announce the winner, or you can have a live stream giveaway and choose the winner from the people who commented or participated or interacted with your video or the post that you have given. Next comes up disclosure and announcement. Announcing some significant news such as product line or an expansion. A humorous video is ideal approach to generate interest on the social media where it should be announced. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in case we missed any point, and so let us know what type of the social media video you like to create. Till then, check out the other videos on our channel. Happy creation, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video with another great lesson with another great value.